Hello guys, that's Chris from Cafe Russian, and today we are going to speak about two little very nasty Russian words that can be confused very easily. That is все and всё. Все and всё. The only difference in the last letter. This one is е, все, and the second one is yo with two dots on top. That is yo, like in yoga. Yo, всё, всё. It sounds a little bit like o, but not quite. Всё, все and всё. So what they actually mean? Всё means everything. Всё хорошо. Everything is good. And grammatically, всё is singular, neutral. Everything was good, всё было хорошо. But remember guys that when O is not under stress, it's pronounced as A. That's why всё было хорошо. Can you catch it? It's pronounced like A. Всё было хорошо. Even though it's spelled like было. So grammatically it's neutral. But here stress follows on «ы». So было. That's why the last O is pronounced like A. Всё было хорошо. But in present, we don't use to be in Russian. That's why if you want to say that everything is good, that is всё хорошо. If you want to say that everything will be good, всё будет хорошо. Всё будет хорошо. But все is a little bit harder. If you don't put any nouns after this, that means everyone. Все means everyone if you don't put any nouns after it. If you do, it becomes all. For example, все были на работе. Everyone was at work. Notice, guys, that when you say everyone, grammatically it is plural. Все были на работе. Everyone was at work. Все были на работе. But you can say все люди были на работе. All people were at work. Or you can say все книги были в магазине. All books or all Harry Potter books were in the shop. Все книги были в магазине. So все, if you don't continue with a noun, means everyone. But if you continue it with a noun, it becomes all. Все люди, все книги, все билеты, все билеты. Or все друзья, all friends, все друзья. And when you use все as everyone, grammatically it is plural. Все были очень рады. Все пришли вовремя. Remember that the ending ли is used for plural in the past. Все пришли. Or you can say они пришли. So все пришли вовремя. Or let's say that everyone was late. Все опоздали. Опоздать, it's a verb in Russian that means to be late. So все опоздали. Or все пришли вовремя. You can use it in present. Все любят мороженое. Everyone likes ice cream. Or you can say не все любят мороженое. Not everyone likes ice cream. So, let's review. Все is everything, inanimated, everything. And grammatically it is singular. Все хорошо or все было хорошо. But все can mean everyone or it can mean all if it is followed by a noun. and it will be grammatically plural. Все были на работе, or все книги были интересные. Alright guys, that is it for today. If you would like to have a worksheet on this topic, basically with grammar and vocabulary exercises that you can use to see how good you understood this topic, you can go to my Patreon page. I will leave the link in the comment section, and there, only for $3 a month, you can subscribe for receiving worksheets every time I post a video on YouTube to check yourself grammatically and vocabulary to understand how good you understood the topic. Alright guys, see you in the next video and хорошего дня! Пока-пока!